Outdoor solar deck lights are a great way to light up your outdoor spaces without the need to run long cords through your yard and up to your deck. They simply harness the power of the sun and convert it into energy that can be used for lighting at night, adding some extra decor to your deck or patio area. There are many products available to choose from. Outdoor solar deck lights. I have compiled a list of reputed brands, and on a lot of research, people will see your choice and find the products very helpful. To help you make an informed decision on various features, the right products with different features and prices are determined from best outdoor solar deck lights. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure be check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Solar Lights Outdoor 182 LEDs. Our safe pick is the Adtech deck lights. Their high brightness is unparalleled. Also, the added PerMotion security sensor is the cherry on the top, making it a great solar motion sensor light. These lights also have an amazing power-saving mode. As an illustration, when it senses an object from up to 26 feet away, it will automatically turn on the lights for 15 seconds and then go off to save energy. Moreover, they come with a huge capacity 2200 mAh batteries that ensure you up to 12 hours of running time after only a few hours of direct sunlight. The Adtech deck solar lights are water and weatherproof with an IP rate of IP65, yet what really falls down hard with these is that they only come with a 30-day return policy. Positive side of this product: IP65, up to 12 hours running time, super high brightness, an added security motion sensor, a huge capacity 2200 mAh battery. Negative side of this product: no warranty, only 30 days return. Number 2. Solar Post Lights Outdoor Post Cap Light. The Sunny Park solar post lights are unique when it comes to looks. Their looks might not be suitable for most, but their unique look and quality does reserve a place among our list. With up to 8 hours of warm bright light, you will be able to set out a mood of coziness and comfort. A real bummer is that they don't come with a warranty and a lesser waterproof IP44, so be careful if you live in stormy areas, as they will not be efficient. Positive side of this product: up to 8 hours of running time, warm brightness, sturdy and durable materials. Negative side of this product: no warranty, IP44. Number 3. Greenlighting Cape Cod Solar. While the Greenlighting do a great job with their solar deck post lights 4x4, they don't really fit 6x6 deck posts, only 5x5 and 4x4. They look great and provide a cozy warm white light that will turn on automatically at night. Sadly, they only offer IP44 water and weatherproof technology, but they will suffice in most cases where the weather isn't harsh. Also, you should notice that it doesn't come with a warranty, only 30 days return policy. Positive side of this product: IP65, up to 8 hours of running time, warm brightness, sturdy and durable materials, elegant. Negative side of this product: no warranty, IP44. Number 4. DaVinci Lighting FlexFit Solar Outdoor Post. The DaVinci solar post cap lights are pretty flexible to set. They can be used as solar deck post lights 4x4, 5x5 or 6x6. It should be noticed that they don't cover the whole 6x6 post cap, but they fit nonetheless. With up to 8 hours of warm bright light, you will be able to set out a mood of coziness and comfort. Additionally, you can use it as a solar mailbox light to illuminate your mailbox at night. Sadly, they don't come with a warranty and a lesser waterproof IP44. Another thing to notice is that they only have 300 mAh batteries, so be careful if you live in stormy areas, as they will not be efficient. Positive side of this product: up to 8 hours of running time, warm brightness, sturdy and durable materials, elegant. Negative side of this product: no warranty, 300 mAh battery, IP44. Number 5. Jackiled Solar Dock Lights Outdoor. With a similar appearance to the Sidein, the Jackiled Outdoor Deck Solar Light comes with similar features, but they do fall behind with some factors. The batteries on them are exquisite and offer up to 12 hours of running time. Also, what you should notice is that they only light horizontally, not all around like its twin. Both can fit into different decorations, so keep that in mind. The Jackiled solar deck lights come with materials that can withstand up to 20-ton pressure, and also water and weatherproof IP68 materials. Similar to the previous, they come with a 1-year warranty, which is always something you should look for. Yet, they also come with no added security motion sensor, so keep that in mind. Positive side of this product: IP68, 1-year warranty. Up to 12 hours of running time. Bright. Resistance to pressure up to 20 tons. Negative side of this product: no security motion sensor. Number 6. Sidein Solar Deck Lights Driveway. For those who seek the most durable lights on the market, this solar deck light is your go-to product. The Sidein solar deck lamps can literally be run over by a car or even a truck and still won't break. To be exact, they are resistant to pressure up to 20 tons. Not only resistance to pressure, but also Sidein offers the highest water and weatherproof materials with a factor of IP68. What is also pretty impressive is their running time: 15 hours of high brightness with only about 6 hours of recharging. Not only they excel with their materials, but also their panels and batteries. In terms of water resistance, these little babies have an IP rating of IP68, which won't only protect from water jets, but also water submersion, and that's the reason they are mainly used as solar dock lights. Last but not least, the 1-year warranty on them makes them a catch. In my opinion, they are durable, stylish, and did I mention that they light for 15 hours? I did. Yeah, they do. The last thing for real, you should notice that they don't come with a security motion sensor, so if you are looking for such a feature, you should consider other choices on here. Positive side of this product: IP68, 1-year warranty, up to 15 hours of running time. Bright. Resistance to pressure up to 20 tons. Negative side of this product: no security motion sensor. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price by verifying the right product quality and what is the customer's demand. If you want to know product details or price, need any kind of more information, comment below. Any issues, stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for my watching.